Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making flatbread called Lepinja. You're going to need 8 cups of flour, 1 1/4 cups warm milk, 1 cup warm water, 1 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, tablespoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt. Let's start with the flour. Make a small well in the center. Add the yeast. Add the sugar. And pour in the warm milk. Stir it for about 5 minutes to activate the yeast. Add the warm water. Salt, and yogurt. Then knead the dough until it stops sticking to your fingers. This is how it should look, smooth and soft. Grease the bowl and the dough with oil to prevent sticking while it rises. Cover with plastic wrap and a cloth and set aside to rise. When the dough has doubled in size, sprinkle some flour on your work surface. Take out the dough and shape it a little. Cut the dough into 6 equal parts. And shape each part into a ball to make it easier to stretch. Cover the dough with a cloth and let it rest for 15 minutes. I use this baker's paddle, but you don't have to. You can bake on a regular baking tray. Stretch the dough with your hands to about 5 to 6 inches in diameter and 1/2 inch thick. Don't use a rolling pin. Transfer the flatbreads into the oven using the baker's paddle. I use this baking stone, which I placed in the oven before preheating it to 400 degrees. If you don't have a baking stone, I'll show you how to bake the flatbreads on a baking sheet. When you bake on the stone, the flatbreads are crispier, but it doesn't matter. If you bake them on a baking sheet, they will still turn out fantastic. Place parchment paper on the baking sheet and stretch the dough with your hands to about 5 to 6 inches in diameter and 1/2 inch thick. Don't use a rolling pin. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees and bake for 8 to 10 minutes. Whether baked on the stone or the baking sheet, they turned out fantastic. Cut the flatbread in half and fill it with whatever your heart desires. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.